Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best electric egg cooker. This versatile and convenient appliance makes cooking eggs easy, quick, and perfect every time. Let's get started. Product features: versatile cooking styles. Cook eggs your way: hard, soft, poached, or custom omelets. This cooker handles multiple styles, making it perfect for any kitchen or taste preference. Time-saving convenience. No more watching the stove. Just add water, place the eggs, and the cooker automates the process, saving you time and effort every morning. Perfect consistency. Soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs come out perfectly every time. No guessing, no trial and error, just consistent results with minimal effort. Large capacity. Cook up to 14 eggs at once, ideal for families, meal prep, or brunch gatherings. Prepare snacks or meals for a crowd in one go. Easy operation. Simple, user-friendly design. Add water, place the eggs, press start, and the cooker handles everything. Perfect for beginners or busy cooks. Compact design. Small, lightweight, and portable. Fits easily in cabinets, dorms, or small kitchens, making it a convenient tool for everyday use or travel. Pros: multiple cooking styles in one appliance. Saves time with automated cooking. Consistently perfect eggs. Large capacity for families or gatherings. Easy, beginner-friendly operation. Compact and portable for any kitchen. Cons: limited to egg-focused dishes. Needs water measurement for accuracy. Not suitable for very large eggs in all trays. Final thoughts. The Hamilton Beach electric egg cooker combines versatility, convenience, and efficiency. It's ideal for anyone who wants perfectly cooked eggs with minimal effort. A must-have for busy kitchens and breakfast lovers. Don't miss out on this kitchen game changer. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more great gadgets.